Hi friends, in the previous lecture we discussed carbohydrates and its classification in detail. Now we discuss the source and its uses. First of all, we discuss sources of carbohydrates. That's from which thing we obtain carbohydrates. As we know that carbohydrates are classified into three categories. One is monosaccharide, and other is oligosaccharide, another is polysaccharide. Mono mean one, oligo mean many or few, and poly mean many. Oligo mean few, or poly mean many. From its word, it's conclude that monosaccharides are made from one sugar. Saccharum mean sugar. It's a Latin word or Greek word, saccharum, which means sugar. So monosaccharides are made from only one sugar molecule. Oligosaccharides are made from or 10, 2 to 10, and polysaccharides are made from more than 10 up to 1000 or 100. So we discussed the source that where it monosaccharide obtained. I will write some example of monosaccharide, e.g. glucose, glucose, fructose, ribose, etc. are monosaccharide. And what are the source of these monosaccharide? Main source of these are fruits, vegetables, vegetables, cereals, and honey. These are the main source from which these can be obtained. And what are oligosaccharide and where it is obtained? Oligosaccharide are the combination of two or more than two up to 10 monosaccharide, and I will write some example of oligosaccharides such as uh, sucrose, and maltose, lactose. Sucrose are obtained from sugar cane. Sugar cane. Maltose are obtained from fruits, and lactose are obtained from milk. These are the source of oligosaccharide and these are source of monosaccharide. Now I will mention the source of polysaccharide. Polysaccharide is the combination of more than 10 monosaccharide. Now I will write some example of polysaccharide, e.g. cellulose, starch, and chitin, glycogen, glycogen, and chitin. These are the polysaccharide, and the source of these is cellulose or obtained from plants, starch are present in vegetables, and glycogen are present in the muscles and livers of animals, muscles, MUSC, muscle of living things, and chitin are the only carbohydrates which contain nitrogen. Other carbohydrates contain carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen, but chitin contain also nitrogen element. Now I will discuss the uses of these. These are the source of carbohydrates, and now we discuss the uses or function of carbohydrates in detail. Now I will discuss the uses of carbohydrates in detail. First of all, it is a source of energy. SURC, sources of energy. Mean that all the energy provided to living things is carbohydrate. They provide energy to living things. Number second, it is a use for storage molecule, just like glycogen. Glycogen. Glycogen or polysaccharide, which is made from monomers of glucose. Many glucose combine and form large molecules, mean that glucose is stored in the form of glycogen in animals. Is they play the role, uh, mean they provide energy to the body. Second, they store food like glucose combine. When the extra glucose are present in the body, they will be converted into large molecule like glycogen in animal body, not in plant body, and uh, starch starch in plant body. Glucose are stored and form large molecule. In animals it is glycogen, and in plant it is starch. Storage molecule is starch. Now in third one is the function of carbohydrate or use of carbohydrate is they provide structural rule rule of carbohydrates. In case of plant, cellulose play important role in the formation of cell wall. Plant cell wall are mainly composed of cellulose, while the cell wall of fungi are made of chitin, and some exoskeleton, um, also their covering is made of polysaccharide chitin. Now carbohydrates are also used in the formation of papers, mean on which we write. Carbohydrates also used for the purpose to make papers, and carbohydrates are also used for the disease. Some diseases are also controlled through carbohydrates, e.g., constipation and diarrhea are mainly controlled by the uses of carbohydrates. Fibrous carbohydrates are used for the control of diarrhea and constipation. Fibrous carbohydrates, and the other use of carbohydrate is that that used in textiles industries. In textile industry we make uh, cloths, and carbohydrates are used for the formation of cloths such as cotton cloths. And some other also uses of carbohydrates are present but it's enough for papers or some NTS or some other exam. Now this is all about carbohydrates uses and its source. So uh, it's the end of this lecture, and thank you. If you like the video, please subscribe, like, comment, and share with the other people that he also makes some uses. Thank you.